Alright people, it's Akbar, Akbar Khan Qureshi, one of the participants of Faces of Transformation by Nations
Okay,
United.
it's 7:30 a.m. and I'm just walking on my way to class. Actually, I have to take a cab, a taxi to the place because it's 10 kilometers from the hotel. Hopefully it'll be good. Let's see, I'll keep you posted.
Okay then, and this is end of day one, and it was a great day, very productive. A lot of discussions in class. Yeah, we got to know about different characteristics of goats, different breeds of goats, different breeds, and construction. So all in all, a great day. For those who noticed things, this is different. A lot close to the farm. The other one was very far away. Not about the other one was, but as everyone's living here, so I thought, why not? Anyways, exhausted now, so I'm just gonna hit the shower and see you tomorrow. I'll show you a tour of those who are interested. That'll be my next clip. That'll be my next clip. I can't even speak here.